Video Dashboard Commercial Unlimited is an all-in-one marketing software that comes with brand new innovations and integrations that make it easy for anyone to automatically research the trending market pulse. Market trends, viral content, keywords, and hashtags. Create stunning videos for all top social platforms, publish or schedule content, and to generate free traffic, all from a single dashboard. This video dashboard commercial review will look at this software in detail. Benefits of using Video Dashboard Commercial. For the first time ever, you can leverage the rapidly growing social platforms like TikTok, Reddit, Medium, LinkedIn, and more to drive massive traffic, leads, and sales faster than ever before, while you don't have to spend money on ads and influencers anymore. Because the video dashboard includes all the precision tools you can use to drive free traffic to your business. Don't need any experience, because the app is designed with very easy-to-use steps that can be learned in a few minutes. Solves the struggle most people face when creating their own content for different social platforms. No need for unnecessary software, because the Video Dashboard app performs a variety of useful tasks from a single dashboard. Video Dashboard completely automates some of the biggest challenges business owners and marketers face today by providing market trends and niche research data. Ability to create high-quality videos for all platforms from a single dashboard. Leveraging all the in-demand social platforms to generate massive traffic for your business. Coming with a commercial license to enable you to resell videos or traffic generation services to earn money. Video Dashboard Commercial Review. Frequently Q&A. What is Video Dashboard? Video Dashboard is world's first all-in-one technology to research the trending market pulse, create stunning videos, and get traffic on demand. For the first time ever, you can leverage rapidly growing and established platforms like TikTok, Medium, Reddit, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Vimeo, LinkedIn, and Dailymotion from one all-inclusive dashboard. How is Video Dashboard different from other apps? Video Dashboard is the only app that automates all of your content, video and social marketing under one powerful dashboard. No other app in the market comes with all the first-to-market technologies. Publishes content to TikTok, Medium, LinkedIn, and 8 other platforms that are included. Does the app work on Windows and Mac? Yes, it's 100% cloud-based and works on any operating platform, on any internet-connected device, even your phone. Get the included mobile app, so you can do even more with Video Dashboard from your smartphone. Can I create videos in any language? Absolutely. You can create unlimited videos in any language and publish them to all the top social platforms for unstoppable traffic on demand. This works in all countries around the world and there are no limits. Enjoy unlimited video renders, unlimited social publishing, unlimited trend research, and a lot more. Do I need experience or tech skills? We designed the Video Dashboard app to be 100% newbie-friendly. You also get access to step-by-step training and 10 weeks of webinar coaching, so you are never left behind. Support and software updates, included and automated, in that order. One click and your dashboard connects you to our legendary support desk, fully staffed by friendly pros happy to help. Ongoing updates are automatically pushed to the software, so you'll always have the most updated version. Is training included? Yes, it'd be sort of rude if it wasn't, don't you think? You get step-by-step training on how to use the app and 10 weeks of webinar training to ensure you get massive success with Video Dashboard.